Thanks so much for joining us on 10 Tampa Bay Plus. I'm Emerald Morrow in for Miranda Parnell. First, we are keeping an eye on two storms in the tropics. We just got this video out of Belize where Tropical Storm Nadine made landfall this afternoon. You can see and hear strong winds at Half Moon Cay. 10 Tampa Bay meteorologist Colleen Campbell is here tracking Nadine and Hurricane Oscar.
Yep.
And I mean, we've got like post-traumatic storm disorder going on here.
Yeah, we do. And we certainly don't want any more storms. We know that hurricane season goes until November 30th. But luckily, these are not impacting Florida. Of course, we don't want any of our neighbors impacted by these storms, but they seem to be pretty small in scale. Let's get to it. We've had some developments, and a lot of you are probably saying, wait a second, did I miss something? No, you didn't. These developments happened earlier today. We had Nadine that formed into a tropical storm ahead of making landfall near Belize. That is a tropical storm, and since it's overland, it will be weakening fairly soon. And Oscar quickly intensified. It is currently a Category 1 storm, and that is going to recur. So let's break down Nadine first. So this is a tropical storm. It is inland. And again, these tropical systems, once they hit land, generally they do weaken, especially if it's starting off as a tropical storm status. But notice they do have a tropical storm warning that's still in effect. They will still see pretty heavy rainfall out that way around the Yucatan and portions of Belize as Nadine makes her journey out to the west. If you're wondering what the ensemble models are looking like, it will drag it into the Pacific Ocean and away from us, so no threats there. As we move into Hurricane Oscar, this is a storm that rapidly intensified. You can see that we have areas in Cuba that's under that tropical storm watch that's highlighted in the yellow, and then portions of Turk and Caicos Islands as well as the Bahamas are under that tropical storm warning, hurricane warning that was upgraded, of course, when we had the hurricane that formed. That hurricane did intensify this afternoon around 2 p.m. Now, Oscar is set to recurve. As soon as it makes its way towards Cuba, it's going to make a turn for the northeast. And the ensemble models are pretty much agreeing with that. We have a couple outliers there, but generally all the models have this moving out towards the Bermuda area and again, away from the Florida peninsula. So no threats to Florida right now. Of course, we want our neighbors to stay safe. If anybody has a cruise for the Bahamas, well, then I would keep an eye on this. And of course, we will have more updates online.